Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM allows you to customize how the AI responds, making it far more useful than a generic chatbot. You can change the response style, length, expertise level, role, tone, and even give it a specific goal such as acting like a tutor, researcher, editor, or business analyst, okay? In this guide, I will show you step by step how to customize chat responses in Notebook in 2026 simple and effective. So first thing, open your notebook. Start by opening notebook you want to customize. For example, study notebook, research projects, business reports, content creation project. So customization is configured at the notebook level. So different notebooks can have different personalities. Then open configured chat. Inside the chat panel, locate the configured chat or settings icon. Okay, so this opens the response customizations or options. So this is the main control center for the chat's behavior. Choose a conversation style. NotebookLM provides predefined styles such as default, learning guide, costume. So default works well for general research, while learning guide is optimized for educational explanations. So choose the style that matches your goal. Switch to costume mode, to fully personalize responses. Select costume. This allows you to define role, goal, expertise level, tone, writing style. So NotebookLM specifically supports costume, goals, voices, and roles. Okay, so costume mode offers the most flexibility. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is how to customize chat responses in NotebookLM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.